Stepped outside just a little bit, hardly a cloud in the sky as we're heading into the afternoon hours, but we are expecting things to change. Fair skies at the Pittsburgh airport. It's 82 degrees already. We're expecting a high of about 86 degrees. Winds coming in out of the north at 5 miles an hour. The dew point ticking up just a little bit. It's now at 63. We're expecting the winds generally out of the northeast for the afternoon hours. Should be between about 3 and 8 miles an hour. The barometer also, it's not high, but it is not low as well, kind of right in the middle at 30 and 11/100ths of an inch. Now, most of western Pennsylvania is dry, but you'll notice a lot of lightning in places right around the State College area. That's a thunderstorm that started here and just continues to just kind of drift off to the east. And one of the things that is concerning, it doesn't look like you could see these storms or really rain showers outside of the storm. They're not moving very fast. So these are more almost drifting at around 5 to 10 miles an hour. Steering winds, generally what controls those storms, fairly weak for the course of the day to day. So we're probably not going to see, if you see a thunderstorm, a downpour will be possible. And we'll also see those storms not moving very fast. Now, I'm not expecting them to last very long, but because of the movement speed being so slow, we could see some flash flooding in some areas because of that. So just note that. We have a 40% chance for rain. High pressure will slowly move in. In fact, we'll still have a small chance for rain tomorrow. We'll take the rain chance out on Sunday as that high will be right on top of us. So here's how I think the rest of your day is going to look. We'll keep our rain chances relatively low, right at 20% all the way up until 2 o'clock. Then we'll bump it up to that 40% chance. Once again, 40% the chance of rain that we have today, and then we'll bring the chance of rain down. Even as late as about 10 or 11 o'clock, we could have a couple of thunderstorms around, so just know that. Here's a look at temperatures now. 79 in Butler, Franklin 79, 79 in the Latrobe area, and Pittsburgh 82. Washington 81, Wheeling coming in 81 degrees. We're expecting a high, there it is, 86 with those scattered storms. Mainly in the afternoon after 2 o'clock. That's going to be the best chance for most folks to see some rain. Can't guarantee you're going to see some rain, but there will be some strong storms out there this afternoon. There's a look at your temperature trend over the next 24 hours. Temperatures once again in the overnight hours dipping to the mid 60s. And I think tomorrow will look a lot like today with high temperatures likely topping the mid 80s once again. Future forecaster is going to show us just some of those popcorn showers kind of popping up here or there. Likely won't last very long once again, but they will bring downpours and even some frequent lightning. So please be weather aware this afternoon. And then Saturday afternoon as well. Coverage likely won't be as plentiful as what we'll see today, but still we'll have that chance for some rain. So rain chance today, 40%, 20% on Saturday. We'll keep it dry on Sunday. And another chance for rain on Monday. Good chance for rain. Everyone's going to see some rain next Wednesday is what it looks like at this point. There's your 7-day, mid-80s for the weekend. And yes, we do have that chance for rain today, but I think overall the weekend, I think a lot of folks are going to take that and say,
looks
hey,
pretty good.
Yeah, we'll deal with that.
Now we're into August. In July, we had a lot of rain. Any indication on your long-range forecast about what we can expect in August?
Well, I always look at the federal government, the Climate Prediction Center. They always issue a forecast for that. Right now, they're saying that we should expect about normal, which is right at 3.5 inches of rain for the month is what they're looking at. Also, they're saying our temperatures will be right at or maybe slightly cooler than average.
All right, sounds good.
All right.
Thanks, Ron.